We have advanced rolling equipments. And we will carry out regular maintenance of the equipment. So that we can ensure accuracy and precision to ensure the quality of your racks. We produced all kinds of box beam types, including box beam, tube beam, step beam, and so on. Our beams can reach all of your capacity needs. It can load max 4,000 kilograms per level. We can do all material thickness from 1.2 mm to 2.5 mm. We can meet your different capacity needs. We use high-quality Q235 steel material to produce your box beam, to ensure you can receive prefect products. Surface finish, we can do both powder coating and galvanized. Any color on RAL color system we can do for powder coating. If you need, we can also submit free sample for your quality check.